Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up our settings. From here, I'm gonna find storage. Or actually, might not be storage, it will be under the About device. And here we have storage. From here, simply scroll down and you'll find Format SD Card option. Simply press on it. It will give you a message that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card, so if you have anything on it that you'd like to not get rid of, then make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this content will be deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, assuming you have already made the backup or you just simply don't want to, you can select Format SD card. So begin formatting it, and only takes a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done any moment now. There we go. So click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.